Hi and hello traders. Welcome to the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty analysis and about the expectations for tomorrow. तो पहले मैं एनालिसिस से पहले मैं थोड़ा बहुत डिस्कशन करना चाहता हूँ। बहुत दिनों से मेरा वीडियो नहीं आया था और आई वाज नॉट एक्टिव इन लाइक ट्रेडिंग फॉर ए कपल ऑफ डेज एंड इसलिए मैंने कोई कॉल भी नहीं दिया था इन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल। इफ़ यू आर नॉट देयर देन यू कैन सर्च इन योर टेलीग्राम श्रुति एडवाइजरी यू विल गेट द चैनल। एंड मैं वहाँ पर बहुत सारे जो मार्केट का अपडेट होता है या फिर जो लाइव कमेंट्री होता है ऑन द मार्केट आई पोस्ट इट देयर एंड देयर आर मेनी अदर थिंग्स दैट वी डिस्कस देयर इवन सम टेक्निकल पॉइंट्स ऑल्सो एंड आई गिव यू मेनी हिंट्स रिगार्डिंग द मार्केट कि मार्केट में क्या होने वाला है या फिर क्या होने हो सकता है। आई डिजर्व द राइट टू बी रॉन्ग एट एनी मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम, so let's not go like on that. At first I will be saying you what happened today. So as you can see that Nifty and Bank Nifty both started the day in a positive mood with a gap up, and that gap has not been filled yet. So agar आप if you were there in the market, then I know what could have been your probable trade that is like going into PE, because expectation of a fall is very high in the market and the market is like hugely built up with long positions. If you see a little bit back in the back sessions of the market, matlab trading sessions, you could see that this trend is very much intact with this red line. तो ये रेड लाइन या फिर ब्लैक लाइन और ये ग्रीन लाइन क्या है, इफ यू हैव नॉट लाइक सीन माय वीडियोस यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो लेट मी से यू अगेन. ये तीन लाइंस होते हैं एसएमए. नाउ दिस एसएमएज आर 25 like SMA 25 days SMA, 50 days SMA. This black line is the 50-day SMA. And okay, let me write it here so that you can understand properly. So this red line is the 25 SMA, 25 days SMA, and this black line is the 50 days SMA, and this green line is the 200-day SMA. Now मैंने ये क्यों यहाँ पर दिखाया है? The reason is very simple, is that you can get a clear trend about the market, like what is going to happen and what it's not. तो अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे दैट दिस लाइक जो ग्रीन लाइन है यहाँ पर, इट वाज a superb, kind of healthy trend in the market. If you are in the CE, I know you have made a lot of money, and probably if you are in pre, then you have lost a huge amount of money. That's a different thing. The game is not about making money or losing money. It's very much like I can understand it's like emotional, but till you get emotional with the money you have in your demat, you will not be able to make money, and that is the truth. I have always been in your shoes. Like if you are losing 2000 due to some bad trades, or if you are making 2000 due to some good trades, always remember I have always crossed those moments of like my time, and I can understand what you will be doing in the market before you like put on a trade. So as you can see here, the market structure is a little bit like kind of shaky here. Everybody is wanting the fall, but the fall is not coming yet. Today, if you see in the market, all the puts have gone down like 50% or more than that. Maybe some puts have gone down by 70%. And you all have, I know that you all have taken all those puts into delivery position, or someone has taken like is still in puts, thinking कि मैं जब market open होगा in the morning, I will again go with puts. But I think that is a very wrong approach to the market. The market structure changes at every minute, at every hour, at every day. Okay. So if you are having a concession that market will fall tomorrow or my market will go upwards tomorrow, then probably you are not a trader. You are just gambling here. So be careful of that type of commitments that you do regarding your trades. So, like talking about tomorrow, the mood is very positive. Bulls are in full control. They were in control because you can see that if I draw a trend line from here, it was obvious that this trend line was like backed by the market. मतलब यहाँ से एक support मिला उसको, फिर एक support and again और एक support यहाँ से मिला. लेकिन during the closing moments of time, the market kind of like touched this trend line, and it is in the trend line. So if the market goes below this trend line, then we might be able to see a kind of short fall matlab thoda 100 points or maybe 150 points fall up to this kind of zones. But more than that, आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट द फॉल टू बी, एंड उससे ज़्यादा भी होगा, या फिर समवन आई हर्ड समवन सेइंग दैट market might crash. I don't think there is any kind of data that is saying you the market might crash. Now, this is the Nifty 50. So let me take you to the Bank Nifty. But before that, I will be saying you some things, the points to be worried of. So almost the entire day, like Nifty 50 moved like within a range. If you see, made an all-time high of 16,291, where a selling pressure came in twice a day. Like I'm talking about these two selling pressure zones. So these are the two selling pressure zones, and for tomorrow, let's see what to keep in mind. Since last 2 days, Nifty rallied from 15,880 levels to 16,291 levels. So it is likely possible that it might take a rest for the next trading session, that is tomorrow. The immediate support and resistance I will be sharing with you later in the video, but not now. I will be talking about the Bank Nifty also. So, we might see a very good expiry in market tomorrow. It is probable that the market might give you a range of 100 or 150 points, as I said you earlier. Now, let's see the Bank Nifty. So, here the Nifty is very clear that if it goes below, then definitely we are going to short the Nifty till we will be holding our positions till Nifty goes into a red, proper red, matlab 0.7% down. We will be holding our position till then. Regardless of that, there is no need to I think go in puts, because if you go, you will be in your position, you will lose money slowly, not all of it at a time. They will check your present patience. So let me talk about Bank Nifty. So as you can see, Bank Nifty is in a clear uptrend, and it's a very strong trend also. As you can see that the red line has been broken here, but at the same time it has taken a support at the black line. So if there is a fall in Bank Nifty tomorrow, then it might come to this green line maybe, and from there is a possibility of upward journey again. So if you are short in the market, try to book your profits as soon as possible in Bank Nifty. I will be not talking about the upward side, because as you know there is no fixed, I don't see any resistance there, because it's a clear sky. The market can go at, I can go 500 or 700 points up. I cannot do anything about that. We have to be in that kind of trend. If it is going up, we will be also joining at the same moment of time. Now let's talk about the resistance and supports. So it's the expiry special. So I am having only two supports in Nifty 50 and one resistance in Nifty 50. The first support area 16,176 to 16,195, and the second support area 16,125 to 16,145. The first resistance area and the only resistance which I have till now is 16,272 to 16,290. Above it, I find no resistance or anything. And I'm, as you know, I'm not an astrologer in the market, so I don't just give you any kind of levels that it is a resistance. Now, talking about Bank Nifty, I have only three support areas and one resistance area. The support areas are: the first support area 35,907 to 35,980, second support area 35,697 to 35,787, and third support area 35,440 to 35,527. On the resistance side, the first resistance area 36,143.85 to 36,217.20. As I said, expectation for as of our market of tomorrow is very simple. It might be flat, both Bank Nifty and Nifty. I'm expecting a range bound and a very cool expiry. But as you know that there is a chance of a correction. You all are hoping for that, I know. So correction might happen, but it won't stay more than half an hour or 1 hour. So you have to be very careful in your trades, whichever you take, either in C or B. Keep your stop loss tight. So be careful and make a proper use of the price action setup. Don't just rush in into the market. Wait for the right entry and exit. And for that, all the best for tomorrow. And before closing the video, I would like to share you that what I did in the market today. So let me show you. Okay, so this was the trade that we took today. As you can see that it's 5th of August, expiry and 16,200 CE we traded. I posted this in my Telegram channel. As my Telegram channel is Shruti Advisory. You can join there. And yeah, we did a put also. We traded in put also, and that was when the market was hitting the all-time high at the very first time. That gave me a profit of around 21,000. And at the same time, I was when the market came down, I was in the CE, and it gave me a profit of around 12,690. Now, these are the trade history that I share with you. It was, I think, just before the market around 2:30 p.m. And I clearly saying you this that I took the trades and I booked my profit. I know quantity is huge, but I was, very much convinced that the market is not going to go down so fast or not soon. Now, I think, yeah, so this is the setup that we had for today. As I said, that I was not trading for a couple of days, but today I got a little bit of time and I did this from my phone only, and I was not having the desktop or the laptop with me, or I was not in the office also. So, as you can see here, the trend line was respected couple of times. Let me show you so that you can clearly understand about the market structure. This was the first support, then again this, so this is the third support that it is the market going like taking, and this is the fourth one. So this trend line was touched four times, and I was very much convinced. I got into see here also, at the same time here also. And I think after this, once the market came around this kind of zones, not around this, but I think market came to around this zones, this level, and it pulled upside again. So this was the trade. And yes, I took a PE also right here, as it was touching here. So I took a PE and I profited and I booked my profit, as I have showed you in the uh, I mean in this image that I have. So this was the trade, and this was the setup. I think you all, like, be careful in the expiry for tomorrow. I hope that you all make money. At the same time, like, this is a very I know it's not that kind of video that you wanted to have, but at the same time, I'm saying you I was a little bit busy, so I didn't get so much of time to do all these things. From tomorrow onwards, I think I will be giving you the perfect video. On tomorrow morning, sharp at 8 a.m., I will be ready with my straight setup and trading approach for the expiry. Look, when we sleep, there are other markets also which are open. So on morning only, I will be able to give you a picture perfect view. If something changes in the market, I will be able to notify you. If you are in the Telegram channel, so don't be late. Join the Telegram channel. It's free, and you will be receiving all the things there. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy the video, then don't forget to comment, like, and follow me. At the same time, if you want to follow me, like, then again I'm saying you, like, search in the Telegram Shruti Advisory and connect with me and be a successful trader. Remember always that trading is not gambling. That's it for today. So take care of yourself.